So welcome to episode 2 of Can I Get Monetized series. Welcome. In order to get monetized and be a part of the YouTube partnership program, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. It may seem like a lot, but it's obtainable. We can do it. You just have to have strategy, and I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you, and you're here to be a part of this journey with me. All right, so we're kind of like working together here. Now let's talk about this week's analytics. Now last week I had 926 subscribers along with 67 watch hours. This week I have 21 new subscribers. Woohoo! And that leaves me at 947 subscribers as of today. So 21 people subscribed to my YouTube channel. That is amazing. I'm going to tell you guys in a bit what I did to gain these subscribers. That also has me at 115 watch hours out of 4,000. So we kind of have a long way to go, but it's going to go smoothly because we have strategy. Okay, so let's talk about our analytics. Let's talk about what I did differently this week. I uploaded 3 YouTube videos and my first episode of Can I Get Monetized? Now, the 3 uploads that I did this week, they were based on how to get monetized, what to do to get monetized, how to grow your channel, how to gain subscribers. So if you're new to the game, make sure that you check out those videos. One of those videos did pretty good. The other 2, they were okay. They didn't do too well, but one of them did very good. Now, the first episode of Can I Get Monetized had over 200 views, which is amazing. I think that that's the first video on my channel that ever seen that many views. So I'm super proud of myself. And like I said, hard work pays off. You have to keep going, make sure that you're uploading, and you're staying consistent. Now, when I say consistent, I learned that it's not just uploading any video, it's staying consistent with your niche. Yes, we want people to stay consistent and keep uploading, but you have to make sure that every video is kind of like a continuation. Everything is kind of connected, if you know what I mean, which is a niche. So a niche is what your channel is about, and you stay in that topic. For those of you who may not know, most of you do not know because I've never said this out loud, but I've never said this in one of my videos, but I edit on my phone. I use iMovie. So that's what I've been using to edit my videos. I am going to upgrade and will download an editing software, probably Premiere Pro. So I think that I'm gonna start doing that for my next videos. I am also using GBT chat to help with coming up with really good titles, thumbnail ideas, and detailed message and things like that. So GBT chat, it's been very helpful. It's basically an AI program helping you come up with ideas. So you can use what they're providing, or you can switch it a little bit and make it your own, but more or less that's what I use to help me with really good, amazing, catchy thumbnail titles. I also learned to engage. Those were one of my video topics that I used for one of my uploads. I spoke about engaging, how it's important to engage with other small creators to build that community, and I feel like that's been very, very helpful. It's been helpful, you know. You get this, you join this small community that you're able to connect with. You guys can help each other grow, because the goal right now is to get monetized. Now, this is a marathon. It's not a race. This is a journey, a long journey for the long haul. Whew, I had to stop because it's a brick. It's so cold outside and my hands are cold. But like I was saying, I don't like that these cars are here, but it's okay. I learned to engage with small creators or beginning creators as well. Everyone wants the same thing. Everyone wants to gain information on how to grow their YouTube channel, how to gain subscribers, how to be better at this YouTube game. I also learned that you have to watch other YouTubers and learn from them. The video that I uploaded about growing your YouTube channel, I've brought it up already once before, but I'm bringing it up again because it did very well. I feel like that strategy worked very well, which is why I saw the numbers that I did and I gained the subscribers that I did. We're gonna keep that strategy going. We're gonna keep moving, and we're gonna keep striving. I'm in the hood. I'm in the hood right now. But anyway, the channel overall, the channel did very well this week. I'm super proud of myself. Yes, I gained 21 subscribers, but it's better than no subscribers. I couldn't be any more happier. So this upcoming week, we're gonna do the same thing. It's gonna be a very exciting month of January to see the progress that my channel has done. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. So make sure that you guys stay consistent with your niche and always stay positive. See you guys on the next episode.